All right, welcome back. So in this video, it's another Carnegie Mellon. We're looking at kayaking. So if we run this and just look at the solution, we can see we've got a few things going on. We have the oar, and then we've got the fin of the oar. That's really the two things. Ours the oar pole, I guess. Because if you look up here, this is the oar pole, this is the oar fin. And then this is a rectangle. Okay, so first part here is we're going to rotate the oar pole, and we want to place that code right here. So we're going to start with the oar, and then we're going to rotate it. So we're going to need the rotate angle. And that's basically all they tell you to do here. But let's take that out for a second. Yeah, we have the rotate angle, but we also have the speed. Okay, so let's go ahead and pause that. So we're going to do oar pole, and then we got rotate angle plus oar pole, and we'll do rotate speed. Because what we're going to do is we have the rotate speed up here too. Yeah, this should allow it to then rotate. So let's go ahead and run this for a sec. And we can see we got the pole rotating. So that's perfect. All right, so that we have done. Okay? Because that looks to me, yep, that looks the same. All right, so then our next part down here is we need to place the fin onto the pole. And that seems like that could be kind of difficult, but it says you can set the center X and center Y to be at the end point of the pole by using some of the pole's properties, for like the X and X1 and Y1. So the first locations, if we go here, here, and here. Okay. So, but we don't want those numbers. We're just going to actually just say that it's going to be the pole and those X and Y locations. So we're going to say oar fin center X is going to be equal to the oar pole X1 and I have messed up so many times in the past, so make sure you spell these correct. Oar fin just looks a little rough for me, and then center X and center Y, and then oar pole is going to be Y1. Okay, so now if we run that, yeah, that's I mean, it's getting there, but it is attached to the end. Okay? So then the last part is, now it says rotate the oar fin to be angled in the correct direction. Okay. So we need to add, and I think the oar pole, the rotate speed is 5. So I think we're going to take that same number. And a lot of these we can try. Because up above, they have 5. If we try 3, let's just try 3 and see what happens. Okay, so that does not work. But getting better, right? So it's not rotating as quick. So if we make it 5, there we go. That's perfect. All right. Hopefully this helps you with your coding. Good luck.